Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's November 24, 2025. President Trump and New York Mayor-elect Zohran Mamdani surprised observers with a remarkably friendly first meeting, signaling an unexpected thaw amid deep political differences. At its 25th anniversary gala, Ames Bay Area celebrated a record-breaking $2 million in donations to expand schooling and empowerment programs across rural India. Theranos whistleblower Tyler Schultz shared how his experience exposed the complex gray zones of truth-telling, ethics and personal sacrifice in high-stake corporate scandals. From youth training to national tournaments, the California Cricket Academy continues its mission to grow cricket in America as interest surges ahead of global events. Indian communities across the US marked the BJP's decisive win in Bihar with celebratory gatherings and cultural programs. A major agreement will see the US supply 2.2 million tons of LPG to India in 2026, strengthening energy security and bilateral trade ties. A US jury has awarded $28.45 million to the family of an Indian passenger killed in the Boeing 737 MAX crash, marking a significant milestone in accountability. Nevada Congresswoman Susie Lee has formally backed Indian-American candidate Sanjot Dhanang for Illinois' 8th District race. A gripping retrospective explores how cricket legend Andy Roberts mastered speed, silence and intimidation to change the art of fast bowling forever. The ICC has charged American cricketer Akhilesh Reddy with multiple anti-corruption violations, leading to his immediate suspension. In his latest column, Anil Swarup reflects on how informed conviction and persistent effort can even persuade the Prime Minister to change his stance. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.